สวัสดีค่ะ ทำอะไรอยู่คะ กินข้าวหรือยัง ก็ไม่ได้ทำอะไรมาก ใช่เหรอ
สวัสดีค่ะ I'm KruGift, your friendly native Thai teacher is here. So today we're going to practice how to make the 7 sounds of the middle class consonant with the vowel, which is sara, and together with the tone marks. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get started. So before we start the lesson, shall we just review all of the letters that we've learned about the middle class consonants? I would like to hear the name of each letter one by one, 7 sound of this, 7 letters here. So start from the first one. What is that? กอไก่ Second one. จอจาน Next one. ดอเด็ก The third one. ต่อเต่า The fifth one. บอใบไม้ The sixth one. ปอปลา And last one. ออ่าง That's great. So I think we're ready for making the sound of each words together. So the first sound for today is g, กอไก่ together with the sara a. Okay. So the sound of the first one gonna be ga. The second one ga. Next ga. Then ga. Ga. All together one more time. Ga. 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 Again one more time. Ga. 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 Last round. Ga. 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 So I will say this in my normal speed, okay? Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. That's it for g g ga. Next, we're gonna move to j j j จอจานสระอาจออาจา So start with the first one. จาจาจ้าจ้าจ๋า Again one more time. จ้าจ้าจ้าจ้าจ๋า Again. จ้าจ้าจ้าจ้าจ๋า Challenge yourself. Make it faster. 1, 2, 3. จ้าจ้าจ้าจ้าจ๋า I make it in my normal speed, okay? จ้าจ๋าจ้าจ้าจ๋าจ้าจ๋าจ้าจ้าจ๋าจ้าจ๋าจ้าจ้าจ๋าจ้าจ๋าจ้าจ้าจ๋า Okay, so we're done for the จอจานสระอาจ้า Next. ดดดอดอเด็กสระอาดา Okay, so start from ดา 1, 2, 3. ดาดาดาดาดา Again one more time. ดาดาดาดาดา Again. ดาดาดาดาดา So challenge yourself this round faster, okay? 1, 2, 3. ดาดาดาดาดา One more time. ดาดาดาดาดา So I will speak this with my normal speed, okay? 1, 2, 3. ดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดาดา That's it for ดดาดอเด็กค่ะ Next, we're gonna move to ตะต่อเต่าตออาตา We start from ตา the flat tone and neutral. Okay, so ตา 1, 2, 3. ตาตาตาตาตา Again one more time. ตาตาตาตาตา One more time. ตาตาตาตาตา challenge yourself make it faster okay 1 2 3 ตาตาตาตาตา again ตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตา okay I'll make it like my normal speed this time ตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตาตา sounds like singing isn't it right okay right so next one I would love to introduce you theบอใบไม้ค่ะบอใบไม้ so บอบา so start from ba neutral ba stop okay ba 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 again one more time ba 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 another time ba 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 right challenge yourself and make it faster right ba 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 last round ba 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 okay right my normal speed okay this round ba 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 okay ba 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 right next ba 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 ปอปลาค่ะปอปลาสระอาปออาปา right start with a neutral tone ปาปาป้าปาปา again together with me 1 2 3 ปาปาป้าปาปา one more time ปาปาป้าปาปา make it faster this round 1 2 3 ปาปาป้าปาปา again ปาปาป้าปาปาปาปาป้าปาปา okay so next I'll make it in my normal speed okay 1 2 3 ปาปาป้าปาปาปาปาป้าปาปาปาปาป้าปาปาปาปาป้าปาปา okay right. And we're gonna move to the last one which is ออ่างค่ะออ่างออ่าง is ออ่างนะคะอso start with a neutral tone like this okay ah okay very good so again one more time together with me ah ah one more time ค่ะ1 2 3อ่าอ่าอ่าอ่าอ่าเร็วขึ้นนะคะ faster this round เร็วขึ้นso 1 2 3อ่าอ่าอ่าอ่าอ่าอีกทีหนึงนะคะ one more time อ่าอ่าอ่าอ่าอ่า okay so I make it in my normal speed okay okay right. Okay, we've done practicing all of the tone marks in here, right? And the way that I count, the way that I make the sounds, I always like do like counting number by the finger because I just remember the sound when I count it like this. So I can see this one is สามัญ and this is my egg for me. I feel like this one is the drop of the rain, right? My egg thing, and this one is my tone, my tone, and this one is my 3, and the last one, my little finger. This is ไม้จัตวา So you can use this technique to help you to pronounce the sound, the word, and help you memorize the tone marks. Okay. Right. I hope you enjoy learning Thai with me, and we're gonna see each other again in the next episode, right? And don't forget, I'm KruGift, your friendly native Thai teacher who would love to help you in many aspects of learning Thai. So if you have any question, drop your messages right there, down here, or text me, send me the message. Till next time, bye bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ